Okay, the next step that you want to take in configuring your WordPress settings is privacy, and this is a really brief one as well. And by default, it's usually turned on the right way, but you always want to make sure that this is turned on the right way. So let's go to our dashboard and settings and privacy, and you want to make sure that the radio button that says I would like my site to be visible to everyone, including search engines like Google, Bing, Technorati, and archivers. You want to make sure that that is enabled, just like it is by default. There was a time when this was not the default. This was the default. But now the WordPress folks have probably got enough complaints that, hey, you know what, my site is never getting indexed and I'm never finding it in the search engines. It's because you had it made private, because this was checked by default. So if you know that's checked, I would like my site to be visible to everyone. Go ahead and click Save Changes, and you're done.